Assalamualaikum and hey there, welcome to Foodie Goodie Cooking Studio with Sharmin channel. Today I'm here with a new recipe to show you all, and I have today for you the very special Arabian Mutton Curry. In this recipe you will be seeing with a less spice how to make a very yummy Arabian dish. So let's get started. In a big vessel I'm giving out the oil. I have taken here 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil and waiting it to be heated. After the oil has been heated, I am giving out the onions. I'll be frying it for a few minutes until the color changes to brown. So I have taken here 2 big size onions which I have cut it into pieces. So as you can see, I have given out the onions, now frying it for a few minutes. Now I am adding up the garlic. I have taken here 1 whole garlic which I have cut it into pieces. And now I have given 2 to 3 tablespoons of salt. Obviously salt depends on the taste you prefer, so be careful about that. Now I have given some cumin seeds, as you can see, some whole cumin and some 2 to 4 cardamoms. So these are just spices for a good flavor. I have given cinnamon stick 1 small size and 3 bay leaf. And now I have given some black cloves. So now just adding it all together and cooking it until the color changes. So as you can see, the color has been changed. I am giving out 3 to 4 tablespoons of garlic, ginger, onion and green chili paste. I have mixed all of these spices together to make a paste, and which I am using 2 to 3 tablespoons. In the description box I have given the recipe of the sauce I made, so please check. Now I am giving out the muttons. I have taken here nearly half kg of mutton. So I am giving out the mutton and just cooking it for few minutes. So now I'll be covering it and leaving it to cook for nearly 15 to 20 minutes. So let's see you after 15 to 20 minutes. While the muttons are on the boil process, let's start with the special spice recipe. So I have given here 2 tablespoons of cumin powder, you can see, and I have taken half tablespoon of turmeric powder, 1.5 tablespoon of red chili powder, and also I am giving out one and half tablespoon of garam masala, which is also known as mixed spices. So I am giving out more 1.5 tablespoon of coriander powder. So this is basically a special sauce which I am making, paste I am making for the recipe. And now I am adding 1 tablespoon of white pepper and 1 tablespoon of black pepper. So now mixing it all together with olive oil. Nearly 3 to 4 tablespoons of olive oil I am using just to make a paste. So as you can see, I am covering it very nicely with the spices, the oil, and making it a paste. So now my paste is being formed. And in the meantime, the mutton had been boiled, so I am giving out the spices on the mutton. So this is basically very easy step you have to follow. So when the muttons are boiled, I am giving out water as measured. I am using nearly 4 to 5 cups of water, and the muttons are being boiled. So this is depends on you. You have to check the muttons until it's fully cooked. So my recipe is done. So viewers, you can see I'm done with the recipe. It's a very easy and tasty recipe. You can try at home with less spice. You can obviously eat it well. So this is so called Arabian style mutton curry. I hope you like the video, and if you do, then do stay with my channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.